Oma BM no why check a free room. And number send me busa sa 7 and you President year no mammy Miss Nadaroma. Sir, a bit me anya kai free na my fire hunto so because yentiminya na ye yes sir.
Ghana card. Anybody who condemns Ghana card now said you Brumanu said you said you why do you know from because look ID identification that is what has made Europe near Broche. That insurance Ghana card should not even be a contentious issue. Ghana card should not be a contentious issue. Approach no be a con in Dubai. Hey, who do be that ID card? There should not be. This is the bogus issue. This is the idea. I think Ghana Fosika here. NDC Fosika will make the Fosika will not align the poor. I'm floating. Obieka me the Ghana card. It has come to stay.
And now prophet for one was a movie. That's why I can hear the HN Yasan.
Would you want to me?
Obi a worker asking we be ano. 7 no him answer.
One in me.
Odi from Bacha.
Oh yes, sure.
Prophet as is here.
Oh you nipa
Me Bacha prophet.
oh busia
Me Bacha.
ya fantricha. Aya penidin. Ene de ade wo ni na. Ya fa bread. Ede ade wo no kwa ni ya. Ya kanya wo ya.
That's right.
Ya me pe bia na me ya.
Jesus.
Onyame tu minti.
Yes go.
Se me kasa ntia na busuafo. Kasa ntia na me papa no no be kasa ntia me. Then remember ni yamba. Aye sani me pe.
Jesus.
Onyame tu mi mu.
Yes.
Asofo jana chidi.
Yes sir.
Jana chidi. Ye ko ye anyansa fo wo Ghana nyina ani age.
Enokre.
Ti se ba ko ye bagimifo. Obi wona wo wagimi sa na wo kasa sa. Eye history wo na busiam. I want to ato mu gimi.
Yes.
Je chidi. Na so ni unu se ni misiti e dada. No me ni chance se ba. No me no Nyankopon no me ni chance se me domina.
Wa bra woni di na tamo.
Hebrew in Katari ba dia ba bia me gina me di be fa no. Ba bia me di be gina me di be fa no. Be ma kro be wa no be nya asem.
That's right.
Be ma kro wa no obi di ni be ma wu na sise kim. O be fa no me ni bia ko. Odi agba no me me di be ba no. E free next am ne kopim kwasi ada. Wo ti bibi bi o free na no. Bo boni nyina no ye be boni nyina wa. Na me gina so awie na bra bo kodo.
Jesus.
Na dia ya me tani se. Mi kasama mu obi adi.
Nokre.
Na so no timi abo obi din se nipa ne kan dia na nipa naka.
Yes.
Oni bra pesa haye TV station radio station pa. Ni bra pesa record so ha. And ka enam ka kura mo di announcement ni ebi kura sa na be break.
I can wom. Yes. Kofo bi o betwa mo kan the same.
Announcement nam kokko be kura ni omo ye anyina mo nyina omo ye.
Omo kan.
Asori down kura mo di kan be si ho. Yes announcement.
Prophet Ebenezer Adakoyadom and I seen kind of ni say about 3 days ago, I think last Thursday or Wednesday or so, I stand to be corrected now. Him say Potwaba na ye flag bearers no omu nyina bodom pa be piem e Kumasi abontin so campaigns ahodo koso obia candidate His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana flag bearer elect for the New Patriotic Party America kese MPP Alhaji Mahamadou Bawumia Probono or the abipim was santime mu den say ono de ere bi o consider digitalization and then ewiase eko digital semen kan star and then obia eko nanim ntine social media no eto ade ncheche obabia first no say opiomonko na so sa opiomonko ina no na etweme no yesi ni opiomonko ana ekoto mekura mini bi o medem all because say no social media no so oya no mo de kugu YouTube na nkofo akwakohwe ye no etimi tua DSTV no na mo de fa o na ye hwe ni free na bo so meso a ucho 2 million 3 million 150 100 80 maybe 250 depending on the number of channels are open. The way Ena Alhaji Mahamadou Bawumia na probo no can say no. Say Yakobo na dom na Ghana for eto aba e de mana or the idea friend is say credit score tinie or the credit score ebeba na credit score no eno ena ye nuamu a wo mo ama no ne no wo mo ewo binti no obi yo wa ofi abrochi no beba Ghana obi wo se no akwa ko free phone ebi 11 Pro Max 20 Pro Max 15 Pro Max 14 na waba ekura ne shepe so yete no kakra enkakra otutu ane kakra oba Ghana no hu na abroche die wodo na abroche die na ukobie eye efise omo measures no omo de mrani no ma bi agugu akwan mema nipa ho ye den hare no no na laji Mahmood ba omi ase sabio wokra or the star credit score ni bi eden ba se na be ya wo ye adwuma mobile phone na betua obeta ngo tutu ane kakra wo ye adwuma nko ade na ohu aharo ukra Ghana card now the come one sabi obenya kwanya ayeden enya saa no mani nyina bi na yen na nim say former president abako sanso osen ba bium Ghana fo nye na dom ye to abama no nsa medi mampani bium na sabi no ma bi e wantimi anye no onsamra no me correct no onye no otonsa e de frɛ creative art industry no. Unfortunately, I couldn't go because Anchor so mine and was on my show and I'm supposed to be there because I was invited. But my team uncle. Na show no I say wabra former president Asia the creative art industry no. And young papa me amade na prophet one. Ebeneza Adakoya Adom ekopi mo hono na nye fediapo. Na opie mo no na osori na obisakosa. Se me kire mo tententen na wate komo na se na wo ka wo hu de obeka na okobie wo ho no na obisa se ye Mahama se bi eso se bi anyado me se bi se wo se no credit Ghana card no ya ti se wutimi yetimi de to ka obetimi de ato ka ye nyina so enim se Ghana card nya de a ebetimi de akonya ka efiri ehonsem etisen na no eni Mahama na no. Apart from that, no, any you afia popia no odi ni dwuma ewo Adum TV a ofiri ho ede ba AU TV no. Te say wakotra ma no ne. Na ono nso ba abonti be kan say emom sebi son sebi nyaado. That's ye bro, asantifo kasa. Na wo mo ka that's ye bro that's ye konto. Sebi son a otimu say mano chia mo fa che mi nya ateli. Ne mom no obia obeka say sa Ghana card no sebio emfaso ni so anase empo credit score na yewra ba omi aso odbeba no emfaso ni so ene ade na sebie son sebie nyado da sebro na onipa kro no na adwunu mu na no ene ye papa opambo mi am papa se ene na asimo ko bisa yenti ena ere ya bekasa watoroto eno se ne no medi so di na tem dia wo hwie de gu no so amana kan yi ma ene se bi be makra na oni bi di ahyi efi aso de waware oni ko ti ama no be me na me papa akasa ede na we
papa yenchi ana no pay na yenkensi so na dawo nsere no asema mbekan aya adwenkyere mama yesi no me ani nyina so enyina na dawo mesere na mebu mi mu ase no me we ono me afia kokria ontwa so because step here asema o kan yi sabi mama wan kan bone kwa so
okay
wan kan bone kwa so ana sibi kro sika asemi wo atake wo wasema wo kan ye no entina eni kwa se asem we be ya asem a be kwa kofa oye ne bia ba beto mu mienu nche ya papa ma sofo no to da o e o munya aboto no ma sofo nketo mo mo an gu wo mo ni mu ase
say na so sure
wo ma sofo nketo mo na ko hwi asem no
sofo chief na ko
hwi asem na ba
are you sure
asemi sede step ya sika no wan kano ne bone kwa so sede sofo chief ejina ho kire asem no ma kire ya papa opambo no video bi obehwe video yi bia hu se sister fia en kasantia papa opambo itini kwa se asem we beye entokwa beto wo montem esere no pambo de wo kana asem na wanya abotra je beba nti wo de yesere no yesere na dawo ma
o kana anke ya mesho blue
nti yesere no David mesho blue wo de na dawo ma yesere no o ma bibia ankoto
sis na papa na make kasa no
ai me pacho ye best rep papa say no me any de on fan to nchen nonsa enkan hu ni say Ghana ye democratic country. Obia timi kire na adwen. Sane wotimi kire wa adwen sanso na efia kokua timi efia kokua nso timi kire na adwen. Nti mo mfa matter no so personal because of ye law na ewo ho democracy ni nti. Asema efie ka no ono nso kire say other countries outside the Ghana, that is what they use in their daily activities. Inti se Ghana nso san kabia will also move forward as they are moving. And no interest waka boni. And then when you go to papa nso di okan he is particularly based to say Ghana card cannot buy a car. Nti wusha in the right sense of view na papa kire say Ghana card no it's useless. It may be useless to him, but ebia e be useful to somebody. Nti si ye kasa ye nhwe ye constitution mra wom aban na ahihya amaya we all based on to communicate freely no. Yema eno nto nchen. Yemfa eno nto ho so that whenever we are dealing on matters like send you know the buofu sister na or kase obedome no on share constitution mu na on fan consider. And then secondly, I will plead with him say as a representative of Christ, he stands there for God. Inti say ne baby ache anase oko wayward. I would plead with papa say on friend na on putting in place instead of say obedome. Because or any abdomen lady na they all stand in the same range. Akwaye say lady no ono no yemfa ne say ono onim Christo and a wo onim Christo and a wo preach achre no. Instead of say wo de ne beba the right way, then you end up taking on kwan so then you both end up being non-Christians.
Okay.
Into yes, papa. More money good for people. Uncorrect girl no. So feel so what she said is wrong. Uncorrect but on kai who is say Ghana a democratic country. Obi atimi kire na adwen.
Okay, so obi atimi kire na adwen dia na papa wa wo ka chiri PSA anope me tonkra so papa me slow adwebro. Baba adwebro if you cry on so papa if you kasa no ka say sebio on so ka sebio on so san pa cho ka say sebi so and now papa wan shada so an ka say bia wasama wo kan ye no eno de mum no okay, say ubia obe underrate you know Ghana card no na chese save why do ne o fa no chese wo papa da bi papa wo ka chi piece mi ara me ka sa show you so enti messel step and you know if you enti ma na no ntia wo da bi ara da if you send you see feel wo no papa say ka wo me na if you ka say me papa pa na ne de waka say sit over me so for chief me to nkra Achem papa say yes na if you actually person watch papa wonim say wa wonim say we go for menu anu airport I don't know say bia omo buy no say no covid buy no udru airport ye sure Ghana card woni bia won che beche wontim udru airport say won che beche no the mesrew you know papa you know wonim dey make
And the boys no.
and na mesre
The boys no so your best dress.
Enye bibia na wo say
so mo be Canada they should present it in the right way.
Yes, it is we dey mesre
say dey be ya ono so beti ase
na stay here person we dey or tre papa ontima na no ntia na ka me metwa ma afia na ka me ntwema no enti mesre sakaja no me ne dey that's your brother say front jifri ho kra if you say papa wontimi mfa no me nso ba me so wontimi enkese me enti obe de wontimi enkese me na chese sanso na enu kwan say wo kese afia asoso so do me say wo hwemi a wo nwenwen ka say me be ide na wo ye wo nwenwen nim say wo nwenwen alo bia so hwemi deda me am ba wo ka kire so hwemi deda enti papa me so you know many friends so wontimi mfa nso akusa da kwa me shi yes no Nemom no papa Ghana card ni ya nemom enye no na ye papa ba omi abeso o kire say ye de beko akwaji card free nemom no eye credit score card no so pese o de ba no eno de ka papa you but me for okra me kura che se bro nyamba ma to from and they say salaji de ba eno anse nkeja ura samda ku sika ne fa banga na me koji iPhone sisi me no me kwa me de ba 17 Pro Max
cash
At 17 Pro Max, no. Say, no, me the bar. Now I say, or some that could just kind of whatever I'm born man. Now me credit score card now. Now me the aqua journal. Fully nyanya. And remember, I said, I'm a dan, I'm going to cry 17 Pro Max. No. We are chatted. It's in background, it's been a dan. Oh, and I said, almost let me send me for ya. In the am the two answer. So, and we be boy me. So, by your mom, the name of Pay say, as our credit score card, no, a bit in your banner, yes, on your one hurry. Kamekaya that day. Thank you, Jack. Credit score card, ba. No speak me the freebie. Nay, say, get some kakra. Almost have reached a banner total, baby. Now, one day, guy, into a credit score on Mutu. Yes, yeah. It be a system, me be nipple. A binny. This year, pebby. Many campaign, by a pebby. Be bab above 1 meal. Cow cross soon bedroom. Come in metata, sir. Also, I say metata. Oh, okay. Young caught never a second story making headlines on today's show. Rami by the room. Nah, simple, must stay with us.
Social media no eda ho no omo Jimmy and fan ho nkoka omo tie de maker because one way you do odi nya asem hwe. You be shocked. It wo ye ni na wo toto wachi. E megina ozo obi mu afri so obi amoa o. The truth no. One mountain dear the scripture please let's work. One mountain dear, one mountain nyansa seriously. And one mountain unumu and what they ajia would do na come home and was a qua na kodrime. Opesa ware dream, sit down, plan, budget, structure your life. Bema shiawa uhunuwa utimi say you are meticulous. With life near structured and yes, I would the hokwa. Millions of me grow for a dream what would dream and some person know what that. I'm telling you, a drama on my way, a drama everywhere. Social media no eda ho no omo Jimmy and fan ho nkoka omo tie de maker because one way you do odi nya asem hwe. You be shocked. It wo ye ni na wo toto wachi. E megina ozo obi mu afri so obi amoa o. The truth no. One mountain dear the scripture please let's work. One mountain dear, one mountain nyansa seriously. And one mountain unumu and what they ajia would do na come home and was a qua na kodrime. Opesa ware dream, sit down, plan, budget, structure your life. Bema shiawa uhunuwa utimi say you are meticulous. With life near structured and yes, I would the hokwa. Millions of me grow for a dream what would dream and some person know what that. I'm telling you, a drama on my way, a drama everywhere.
Coffee or draw and a casano or Sebi son Sebi Nato, my social media no semi bonnet of fan and some. Be a who be an idea when it's a man. I said, I was say, or no, that no. We not someone of whom say, Sebio, will be a being with you. Mammy be, and no dear Baba will be bonny. Sebi, Ababa and Casano went on any shade. Yeah, for whom we are show. And I said, once what's a while, what dream? And see, Ababa in your shade. Say now. Ababa no maame no opese okun ema ababa no sebi ne kura all because say ababa no ono maame no nadamfu ekunu etwe ababa ne dem empena tio maame panimu o say nadamfu one na tibro no so ono no e bibia nemo no who say, Sa baba no maame no na baba no wahu. A oni ni kunu no, wo montamu nya bie mo montamu ate. Na abrante no akwakofa girl no. Maame no ku ama, insese ko ono maame panimu sabi, we hunu nyansa da sieburo. Anko siesie be ma no. Ene ababaawa ne ntɛm sɛ daabi wo ne wo yere wɔ ma nti bɛmɛ na gyama ne ka bibia ni a meyɛ panimu metimi awo nti mede me na esi fam na nka masiesie mu ntɛm no maame na ntimi akɔyɛ saa deɛ no amfa ama nadamfo ɛyɛ ababaawa no ɔne ne kunu ntɛm ayɛ basabasa no na mmom ne kunu no ɔbaa bɛma boy no kɔfaaeɛ no ɛna maame no se wɔko ayɛ de ɛde ama ɛyɛ saa nipa no enti ohun sɛ ababaawa no bɛgyina baabi na ɔtam sensuo sɛ duro ɛna ohwie na ɔde gu ababaawa no ne kaa nyinaa so tubu no na ababaawa no de asɛm no ɛkɔ ahemfie ababaawa de asɛm no kɔ ahemfie a na wonim nya asɛm hyɛ ne bi no ebi ni na ɛda yɛfrɛ asɛm no wɔ ahemfie no saa maame wɔn mu a na ɔmbrɔ no nso nyina obi ani maame n'akyi a maa ahemfie hɔ ababaawa no koraa na maame no ɛkɔma ne nti nam so a wɔtu nsuo sɛ duro de gu saa ne kunu no so kɔ kunu no ɛgɛ ɔno ho no wo saa ababaawa yi w'ani maame n'akyi ewura mu hɔ wɔn mu a wɔn just obiara ani maame n'akyi a maa ahemfie hɔ afei maame na ekodura ahemfie a afei deɛ ɔso ɔkɔdwa ntoa afei na wabu kotodwe na ɔso ɔma saa ababaawa na nka ɔno akora no wanyini sene no afei na maame panimu ne ho po sɛsɛsɛsɛsɛsɛsɛ ɛna ɔse me maame bɛyɛ dibem me ma ababaawa yɛ dibem wahu sɛbi gyimi ebi nie nti wonya asɛm a wo social media no sna de ɛbɛto abɛyi wanwene ho sɛ no apa aba sɛ no keti daboase mama bɛtena mama bɛnya asɛm so do we say social media ni bi de netia okay can be chira mo yanko and my example kesi pa na dia so one more man say me ka say na dia say me na sister ka o TV so ane bro no so obi ani maame na ti na maame jonjo ti abontin dem na jonjo afi do ko jira hifi na ne to sa afi do so ko jira ne to sa am penny mo
Asebo sister. Beba just ne abrabo ne sitie no. Ebesi uye a ejina wa so. Ensi uye nso a ejina wa so. Na tehweme eda yenum na enu an ehira ye, enu anso na esan so domo ye. Nti se wunua wo Facebook ana se TikTok no oye na ade a. Wo so ma na ni da ho. Enye bibia na ye ka. And I don't try to copy your friend ana se obi owo Facebook. Ono de ode ye na enye nu bi na won so wo. Obo obehu ni nua na oye kokoko kama. Or say I want to look like this person. At the end of the day no obo no akofa chemicals na ade. No de akeka ne ho then you change and look like the person. And chana cancer de no ho agim. It is better to live your life the way ya mebo. They will betimi aye na waye. They won't me. It's not by force. Don't try to copy people. Don't learn from people. Always be whom you are. And it's going to be good for you.
Beautiful.
Auntie.
Mira.
And then Maranti and Mabawan will be your money a yen social media. Because when you data 2 city news or when you no phone be put out, who may say some said yes, Yabano, or bet me I can be said you could be because you'll be a Canadian.
Yeah.
Who know, baby a woofree. They be a Kazasi was a so who can't some who be a Wujina a cancer. Na sama wo kan de hunu emera wo kan asem ne se ye frewa wo hunu nchirichiri mu a wo de bema emaba wa ne mrantie bebre ya man ya yenya nyina ya yanu asem ntia social media yi mama social media so betimi aba gu obi hu fi obe hwe video na wan kan hwe na chira asem no de wo de ye wo no hu ye ana wo te want ye twetwede a ye wo nyina ayesa no ma no obi ma me panyin obi papa panyin social media nti na ye gu no hu fi se wan kanu me se mi no osu ye hu krampo na eye how bi e bedi wachi omoma ye nsua bibi ye apunya me asem ana ewiase na ye dati no ene social media nti akora mu panyin odi panyin atama omfa ho ye nyina ye namu sasara saa na ye nam but ye nka hunu ze ye wu no ye be ubatu panyin panyini yɛ dan a sɛ ɔhene ekuro ni nyinaa ɔna ekuro nyinaa ne dia but ɔbɛto mpanimfoɔ ɛna yɛde ɔno si yɛ sɛ asɛm ba a ɔgye adwenkyerɛ firi mpanimfoɔ no hɔ ansana wabu asɛm no nti yɛ dan a panyini ɛde panyini ɔmoma yɛnsua biribi na yɛnya abotere ma yɛn ho na yɛnkɔ so yɛ abraba yɛ basabasa nyinaa ɛwɔ saa no ma no yɛhu ne sɛ yɛ just ɛyɛ fashion ɛyɛ social media but ɛyɛ ha yɛdi yɛnya
wakani nyina yehu ne say fashion yehu say social media nanso edi yenya enti mesese social media no na me wado no nya 2 series or 5 series bundle up enkodi atem obi post ni video na ade na anya adwena just go your way me hu ade bi na me pa na ma atra na me come baby eno chese kodi atem mani menya nsunsuanso ewo wo ma ana wo kra wo so. And number 2, don't inherit people's enemy.
That is it.
Don't inherit people's enemy. Obi onwa sebi beni lucky nye fine. Me breaking it down. Ye mass TV ni mass radio. Inti eno na me breaking and what mase me kano. Se ne be abeti mase me ka say don't inherit people's enemy. Beni lucky e wa asem a wo ni lucky eni asem. Tinie. Beni lucky wa asem wo ni asem. Enti se wo no woni me yefu adanfo ne me na me da ya me ne lucky wa asem no che se wo so chinchina twan wadanfo no da ya nti wo so ne lucky nya asem dabi inherit me enemy because nyame ya ado no esese me lucky ntem asem a wo be de afi na be pese wo ba na no obi timi inherit se da mami ya me ka na asem mami nipa giledi ne nkasa do nche ne do nkasa no wo da nanso wakọ inherit sa baba wa no nim no nenam se ni kunu no ni ho na ni kunu akofo oba afoforo nti no na danfo ni oba ni nti no oba na be pake ne ka ge na ko pake ne ka gina ho nti no e wo se maame no eye na hyi no to sensuo se duro e di go na wonim dia baba wa no be yoda achi odo akwan yimfi o na so wonim akira se e bia wo manyi na isi wo yi da odo baba wa no do de be yo no wonim so nti ne ewiase na ye wo no me nuanom a mo hwe me nkanka ya manyofuyi ukohu se abrante bi di papa mahama atam a asene wo na busuam anko pe otime to no ho kasam ya isno onim de wo mu because of politics no di his excellency former president katem udinatema asone ne dam papa obi timi tabiri ne ho no wo di papa ba wo mi atam a ti se do ne dam papa nanso papa je wonim sisi ya nti betimi aye
Auntie.
e ho na bo nso wo mu mie no obi ateki ahena e ho na yakopon fasefo nyina be free wiase aba na we di enye hye e na mo mfa nche no enso odi atam no pani bia mpie kire mo kan se e do ne me police am de na me wiase pani bia mpie kire mo kan se aja wo ye jananya nanso dayan teki ahyen sisi a na dayan enye hye e na wo nuane no yakopon fasefo ya na mo ageda na yenko na yenko tie mami agrada ono so abe moke yen papa kufano stay with us in back
yegina yenim se president e ba no o shewurade bo yes o shewurade nyame gamakoma so humi mobo mame metra konwa yin so na me wini a mesi asore dan ama nyame yo enti enne no president na da ni pasa da nyame that the nipa that the nyame that the nipa that the abofo change from your evil things amen emwa dabi enyo bia na udi na bro udi wo ho abro and idea you would think say you have succeed but emre bi ba why na that song da ye see mami ekwadonko wo better one solid it can be you it can be me prepare yourself anytime any hour because unim ada Christo obefro yegina yenim se president e ba no o shewurade bo yes o shewurade nyame gamakoma so humi mobo mame metra konwa yin so na me wini a mesi asore dan ama nyame yo enti enne no president na da ni pasa da nyame Dada nipa dada nyame. Dada nipa dada abofo. Change from your evil things. Amen. Emwa. And you'll be allowed to bro. Who did one bro? And next you would think say you have succeeded. But a minute be back. Why not that song that
And you're saying right.
Auntie Diane. Me ma do review o ha for me mama. I don't ma me chia manya ntie se o hwe me life OPC one emrantie ni nyina. Nana ya abrafi. Nana ma no pe ma me chia what. Hwe mama asem we u break me ami mbreki.
But you break.
And now ahwe ane ye be yimagi efi adwuma. Agrada o yen ka asem nkyere no. E papa ma mu fie mo ni mu a nka fra yen kanya nsasem bi nkyere agrada nto na adwene.
But you nyabutra o.
Mama on say president adada nyame adada nipa adada abofo. Ono we dada fo number 1 nyame betua ne ka.
Oh,
no kra na me ka kire no. Wo de sika gere ebebu nkofo wo man mu ma nkofo maame no mo papa no nkofo busua wuwui. Mani tua obi atwoma yoso twanse yoso ye ba school oto so ni yoso. Papa bi obo sisi wo so bia. O hena da roma no afana di mechi obo na kaka. Wo bu papa yi me say ye popo no papa ni tikata ni ntu o de ko sika gere wo so nyame na atua ka. What is as we be da se for sika kowo ebetu agu fie wura mu kodi
now smart one so for.
emmo wansoma na so mala okoi woye waga dre woye azan woye kontompo nambra mani okobu ni jini sika papa no kan body guys am bon kan ho ene wo say president abeda da nyame sesen obesi national cathedral we si another day wo na agara woye sofo maame e die pa ne ye bia ne dimi na wo de nam ho mama e die ne kire se
Jina wo hu se nyame afre.
why nyame afre why agrada nyame hu set nyame sent say kura nam no agrada nyame sent say kura
Wo na wo hu ne sa na se.
sa no tie enye se me na mu
Ni ni mu nyame frɛ na wo ni ho.
Diana ba me ehuru bia kro sa mango na nka ni so agrada Diana odigina ona angaza no ense da nya mango enya nka enye pe enye bofre azan moja vonimu azan suo woni azan hu azan tade aso na otimi na wo mu gofo woja sika gale ebe ya so na eto da ya na mi ankasa no me dwene ho am se nipa na egu na aso le mu o ma ankasa no kra no o mo tese wom o ma yira ase aya na ha nipa bi se no agrada nye kufa du pa na teso se ye papa rolling stamp na o na ge ya sen no ye twani ti na ya sen na wo because eye mambofo sampa na maame ni ye wo wiase ni kwan kra se ye ja no no nam Ghana wata to kaka kranse muza no o betene de ono na he social media nso ese mu na odi wo so je agrada
Ede na wa ye.
agofo ne
National Cathedral na some kind ne how unti ma wo.
mama dabi national cathedral no president se wo besi wensi ana wo wie anya awaya akwan anya wasisi hospitals ebeshem okaso obe no wantimi anya no gwa ne president awahye bo a free SHS hwebra papa yi ebre na tamura fi hwebra wo bre nipa mpempem krofo ma enya mfaso wo free SHS yi so eti so obesi national cathedral na so wo wie ya mama waye bi yentimi mfa no ko enye ntansa bi nsuwa ne se wadi ntro omba omushe bon bebre nyina na omutimi ye omuye bi na aka bi wontimi nye wie ya se yeto aba na se ye papa ba onyanya owie wanya na se ye papa mahamanya o mewie aye ni nyina ye oman na de eno nkyere se wadada nyame na wadada nyame na nyame no so ku apira wadada
me da say my stopping wa here
Sister.
Agra school
Mema yempanyimfo mo hwe ye excuse. Sebia ye kasa ne yankasa ya omo fanche because what Agrada is doing is nonsense.
Oh,
totally
Of course. Bible say my in judge so that we will not be judged. if we are to judge in Kawa Agrada, you don't even qualify to see the sun of the day. You don't qualify that to see that.
Did you say that?
I am saying that because it's the truth. That's why I've excused those saying paying for no more. It is the truth. Then Agrada 1 year. Into no the oye and only refi, but Nana share boss obey cathedral 1 year and no one barbecue. First of all, it's Gagari. Now got say sorry, then you duped people. And now Ujane near the chair. It is I was my sign Jawa Saba where be there. Can't be as a man can cry and can't be. She doesn't qualify to even go close to Nanado Cap or the Nunshu. Talk less of talking to the president in that manner. What does she think she is? I didn't say also Cassetia Nanasa. Or no, you know, Yakasi Yebeka, and I mentioned Uncle Pia Bontin Crown will be who the light of the day. Uncle, where we are man for sa who call TikTok and not run who bleaching with different profane words.
There's nothing like Donny Calais.
It's never true. You've not seen her in person.
She's
She's not a very nice person. Monk can president and ask him. She doesn't qualify to talk about the president. Say a kasi a judge unqualified. Into monk can president no honest washable. So obey and went to There are a lot of people who came to tell us say and at the end of the day they don't deliver.
Okay, said your case of
Onye Krana, she shouldn't even talk about it because on no 419 queen. Everybody knows.
42 minutes after 7, I go through.
Oh, you'll be a boom for you. We are just telling her, say, one judge president wrongly.
I said they will boom so
and says Walker.
Okay.
And says Walker because she has done
Prophet Abakwata reveals how dwarfs and spirits will vote in 2024 election.
Dwarfs and spirits.
1 minute here, madam. Name say dwarfs in be fi murem aba be vote. Any agbebe boy asofo. Ye hwema.
No nyema mi no. Ah Yesu suma Peter say na o me say na ya boka. Yeah. Otina Tuesday ensu a wa Ghana nyina be ye meeting. Afu we nsu beto aba. Obi so aka na Akwata na kan. Me ba be che da nsu beto aba na yensu ye beto aba.
Papa could be Mcassa or say in some force.
And Wabatuaba, Asante region, Wabatuaba. I feel Subatuaba. Last year, Motiato.
And you win a Yanama and man a one.
Now, young woman come to America. Me one young woman, Odifo, and Kadia see White House. Me to a few days, okay. Some meetings in a coso. Me one young woman ka 120 years history of America for koda ani me ko fa bai e de ko to ho e ma fa ye adwuma so me kan sam che na so mfa e ya masam na ka so bia na te so de me ka wa dia
nwa beto aba
ensuo beto aba otina ensuo beto aba otina ensuo Ghana nyina be ye meeting otina a meeting day conference
oh
yeah. That is where they are going to determine and decide.
And you baby on the
so many conference
when I'm Papa Neka, when I'm in so much trauma party, you
we're getting in a conference. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And next day, all the water bodies ever your conference. And so what Ghana in our conference in it. Too serious. You don't much about them. Personalities will be called. Telling you. Okay, you do pay. When I mean, who we can't say much. They're going to matter. Personalities will be called. Now, who says here and say, and then I'm because I knew when who said, Odifwe, you buy your conference, no, I would deep sea, but and your po and your charming. That is the most serious, and I'm seeing something very dangerous right now and right here. Say, conference, I would deep sea, na okatachi ni oye chairperson or chair no enyepo na mom ensuo bi amempese mebo ni din a sensuo no one nkunuma wapam na nkunuma de o man president share nza ona o chair what is sensuo no da mpese menya attack ona obeye chairman. Are you too serious? A personality will be called. And Nadia, no. Them gonna what I say. It's too serious. A full election now, and never be common. It's too serious. There is a covenant. There is a covenant with of one more maybe the alcohol. They know.
Oh my God, Ganedo. Oh, me swaba papa. And I mean, on bed life. Water bodies, never. Not just say, yeah, human bodies, no so. Yes, yeah, delight. So now water bodies, no so. Almost so can't be. Hey, your prophecy, your best trouble, baby. I met a word in the pa, water bodies, no me pa. Now, yes, Ramo, Musu scare. Why? Musu scare. Sisi agana for ade ye hia ye nkwade asem enye meme say yes say we besi me pa cho nkroma ode Ghana for ekwa share the okofa pam with the river and all that. You were not there. The man is a man of dignity. Sa same way you hwehwemu to the end na say nye no kra ebe ha adwe pa. Nti de ewuhu ye sofo ye sro menka ena ye be sro se ne waka no water bodies ne beba. We need evidence. Ye twa ma all the water bodies no video and I say evidence bi aba ama Ghana for who say 7th December ye to aba no na river A and river B water bodies switch na ho no sofo ye sro kan kwaje asem ayi wate na ye tie ne nsa kire ya adwen. Stop scaring us. Why?
Andy, you better talk. Voice remember what about this year? You better come. We a skit. We say the trash skit.
Yeah.
And
Water bodies. Part 1 and 2.
To me na ye rather there. You should go to Aba. You want to go to Aba. Go to Aba. NDC and the baby 2024 election year Nyangupo winning that. MPP ever transfer Nyangupo winning that. And yet dwarfs in water bodies any in real Kotuaban and ebe determine the obeying election. Yeah, they be a almost 7 numbers. I make I say, Omon capture on more 7 chili pound and on a Yamisuma almost on you. Samuki can't see me say, I said, Mojumana Moya, Monya Manyancopo. Because now Yamini pa, Yamia from the camp, Churumas and Bessachel, but the China Cramina, a poisse history, no one I can. We are more pass. Where you're from? Like you're from.
Water bodies.
Some marine with it. And we now, so at a Diana or Muma. Yamia Jumano cry dinner to yes, Ramo, Mama. December 8th, I have a baby, 7 of your Cotraba, and continuous with you, and I have baby. Omunya is having
it's here, prepare for your last story, Nah, yes, sorry. Let's watch the video.
Statue or hey, Kakwame Nkrumah, we answer you. Nanka Kena, who answer, whom we are walking statue, dear Kosio. I don't quite your family Gugana for anyone say Nimwe. Ah, baby, that crowded area, oh, baby. I don't know why you never and your fair Kwame Nkrumah, dear, come on. I didn't your fair. Statue in your fair, people, you flew. Niamoya and this phone so baby. Almost so another way we had the diamond so quiet statue or hey. Kakwame Nkrumah, we answer you. Nanka Kena, who answer, whom we are quiet statue, dear Kosio. I don't quite your family Gugana for anyone say Nimwe. Ah, baby, that crowded area, oh, baby. ade no kwa nya ne anya fe he kwa me nkruma de kama ade no nya fe
Nano and Nanado Ecopim or Takrade Western Region Ocupim or Honor say fortunately, men can't unfortunate. Fortunately, and in the Kushiai, nature say you could be almost no, I'm born anado abaso when the wire Edia Momo or Western Tina or why any statue in Tino Nado Ecopim or almost and Nana. So what be PM Wahadia? Any yesterday diamant wakasa bede be commission and no commission nana commission ya nana funi bi muna wati kopo ene nana start tuning ye na sofo we de me make bie ma no ansa na me de ama menu amu enti enye fe na ye de onwu ansa. And do you wish him dead? Do you wish a whole Ghana president dead or sofo? Don't do that. Yeah, papa man so for the third and some more can say I am makasa ni yede. And you who near your statue. Who the can who near your statue. Na se kwa ba bedru kumasi abontin say it's your preaching na come na my yes statue be so na wa ba. Makasa papa we di at all as when you bedru aye na my statue. Wa commission ka eboni ana. Sen ka be yode. Ada na moto sa. We ahoya na yede.
Simple.
Ahoya ana yede. Na say to man ko free SHS bi won osofo je we de me ametu ama no amonye sa na mo ya asofo lucky yonko
Sister, send na me kano pastors like this na Emma yenhu sofo papa and not say there are no good pastors there. We still acknowledge omo ye good na omo respect omo so much. With all due respect, we greet all the good pastors in Ghana who wish Ghana very well. Ina sofo we sister eye wasem ben nyame fro se be kan kwanje asem we ni akra de ma ekama no win souls for him na dache nyame ahinie no be kama you are here speaking rubbish.
Don't use the word
rubbish though. Because sorry no okoye no wo bia sorry se oba be preaching na watwe akra what you are saying is not necessary.
Study in your Bible.
But state you know in the Bible anymore. Sunday say ya bontin kra no kojina baby can sister. I wouldn't have said it's rubbish. But saying that in the church premises, nyame fi a oka say beka nkwaje asem na twe akra fama no. You are insulting someone there. Isn't that rubbish? Sister Mpacho medina temana. What he's saying, you know, enye. What I say, I'm not saying he himself, but what he's saying, you know. Nyansa bia ni. That is it. Obia ye ne statue. You don't have to say on train no one.
What should you say this?
You can be alive and still have your own statue. Of course. Photos. What about the photos in our rooms?
Like omune be kan but to aba say concert say ya no mu yi. Gina puppet so wanya platform kan sam sachra kra na abofo etesoro o mani nye. We na wo be kan wasem na Ghana for cry high umpa na ye den he is the president edino no and ye den.
Sister, I've seen people who have done their own statues without being president. Without who fear no I know they are alive and they are alive. It's nice. Na to be who say bonina ye fie photographs na ya hye
ye mu ansa ya church we dey we fie na sanity ye mu ansa na ye portrait ne pictures akese na
who say me be say na obi e ka bi obi anso pe say just want ka bi no de
now I least expected you also for two so as I dey now ka say e was shimbi the way I will card and was already come on 0202668466 or back shawagin not attacking shawagin 0202668461 mama yema kasa ho enti neto maybe ana mama nyame dwuma no tofo ati 0202668461 obi am back political party bia ha batenye no bana bidire papa ha matmami ya me fire obi enye o fire na fire enye president. Your church members will not take this say when people say this about you, it's you. To be your statue, not be people Kumasi. Now you some say for the about preaching tea. My your statue commission. To make sure my boo as my your statue.
No.
So do you know my partner? Yeah, David Bobon Abaso. Once my body in Pana. One mamma pom. No crime person for call. 0202668461. In fact, me share a video and I say I'm really disappointed.
And so yes, sir.
Start you in your friend and pictures you can in an effort. And I know papa picture be a try me co party be try depending about me try. Oh, I did this and my phone back to see. My phone back I'm seeing. I see my phone take. Now me tell this one I am see famous my age to more. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mira wadaro mama nonko akasime numpe yonko bonito.
It's a very good part.
Menti nonko.
Good morning. Ada just no
okay, famous mama me for 0202668461 0202668461 obache waje me pacho oba na wuti ho ebe yiwe fiso science wo kasa no what you say ya stories be do fiso be kasa fa ho no democratic ye wo culture waje. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Wadaro mama ne so kakra ma ye ne yanko.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, what is it?
Nyame adom ye ho ye ntie o.
Pacho, make a free no wa.
Great. Pacho mo wa no ko.
Yes, I mean. Nana apostle.
Nana apostle ma wa no ko ye tie o. Ara munyi ni fiso na yenko ye ni ene no vim ni ho mfa mo so muti mo akasa mo anu ode ho Red TV no so asa mo amufu. Speak out. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Wadaro ma yentie wa.
Pacho, no de kakra me kasa se ya.
Yentie wa odo ewu.
Pacho. I would say that's often everywhere we are treaty afa yamesem. Obaka kasa ma wa nse na so ko tebia no man ne bona na de ba. Nti e be tro mo nke be ya nka mo treaty amfa yamesem. Ko ta asema be shen kuna no mo ntwe akra ma urade. Na we nyi o mo aduma nse so mo ye.
Meda say aka 3 minutes sala minya ba ku mienu bia be me de oba no aboni to etie wo ho na yonko because enye do maybe let's condemn certain things. Hello, good morning. What even you call for yonko?
Hello.
Hello,
Auntie Diane.
Yeah.
Auntie Diane, good morning.
I just so manonko.
Get na your problem now.
Oh, mentie wo ho manonko. Okay, another one in Mraka 2 minutes, but I still want to talk to somebody. Freya, what TV no volume go for?
Hello, Diane.
Mira, one call, aka 2 minutes, bonnie tell, yanko.
What am I bonnie tell? Practice from Eric, because every afternoon.
Okay.
Let me get the make and say, Ghana, I'm talking to no more than you. I Opambo. The Ghana card, you can so was one. No question from you, Papa was only one. And I thought you Obaka Safar and I'll be taking you. So you put what already them that come crashes and fashion no find us in so you are. The second price no come here, but no person at all dying. So when you are, and I don't know, I am a papa. I can't be one of the young will be a digit. And I will tell you, one boy to the Tino as animal.
Yamisha, Mefa Kobia, Ebi, Makasima Bakope, Lucky, Yanko. I'm really disappointed.
Yeah, that's the real.
Let me name set up because I come the start here. Come the start here, pa.
The real Kasa and ye chia ye viewers nyina ya da wo ma sese de bia wo nya bre na o mo hwe nya me nhira mu nyina ye chia ye papa sam da ko so de do
me papa city boy o to ase o ne wife man na omi ele ba Gabriel ene mabawa ne nyina mu fi o mo very
okay
papa nchia me so ya me be fi
nice one. I'm so for ye kodia na kasima ba pepe better production crew nyina ase